How is your day going so far? My name is Eugen. I work at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to fix Bosch appliances. Today I will show you what to do if your Bosch dishwasher stops draining or the E24 symbols appear on the display. Appliance Fix Lab received a service call to repair a Bosch SHE3AR72UC Silence Plus 50 dBA dishwasher that does not drain water and the E24 symbols appear on the display. The E24 symbols on the display indicate a problem with the drain in the Bosch dishwasher. I begin diagnostics by entering the service mode and viewing the error codes in the dishwasher's memory. Apart from the E24 drain error, there are no other errors. I inspect all the connections of the drain hose and check the dishwasher filter. I did not find any blockages that prevent water from draining. Water is supplied to the drain pump terminal, but the pump does not work. Using a tester, I check the technical parameters of the pump. They are normal. Upon closer examination of the drain pump, I notice that the pump impeller has a place that should not be there. I decide to replace the drain pump and replace it. After replacing the drain pump, I test the dishwasher. Our processes are running: water intake, operation of the circulation pump, and drain work. The dishwasher is in good working order and ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about the Bosch dishwasher entering the service mode, questions about error codes, or questions about any other appliances, leave comments and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.